Another example of origins is the origin of disease in medicine by that was taken down by anthropologist James Mooney in the 1880s. He took down many stories given to him by an Eastern Cherokee man named Swimmer, who's pictured there on your left. One of the stories was about disease and medicine recalled from the creation, or the quote, old days, when Swimmer said that animals and plants could talk and lived with humans in friendship. The problem was that the humans started to grow too numerous and started killing many of the animals. They held councils, the animals did. They had held councils to decide what to do. The deer met, and they decided that every hunter that kills one of their number must ask for a pardon or else become stricken with rheumatism or a cough, so that no hunter that cares about his health will kill it without asking for a pardon. The fish and reptiles, they also met, and they agreed to send terrible dreams to any hunter that kills them without asking for a pardon. And each tree, shrub, and other plants, they agreed to furnish cures for all the diseases that animals would inflict upon humans for destroying them wantonly. Except for the bears. The bears met, but they couldn't decide on a plan. As a result, a Cherokee hunter does not need to ask a bear's pardon to kill one. Therefore, human disease and suffering was a price that humans had to pay for inhabiting a world in which animals and plants also had consciousness and powers. Therefore, none of the Earth's creatures could dominate one another, and respect for environmental community was central to human existence. The story refers to a number of significant episodes in human history. It refers to the rise of hunting, it refers to the spread of diseases, and it refers to the advent of cures for those diseases. So it helped the Cherokee organize their conception of the world, and at the heart of it lay the ideal of reciprocity. This is going to be an idea that we come back to again and again, reciprocity, in which both human and non-human beings gave gifts that would be returned in kind. Just as hunters ritually thanked the deer, natives reciprocated among themselves for material gifts and spiritual gifts. So while Native histories are highly diverse, that sense of reciprocity was and is shared by many Native American communities, and that's something that Europeans would have a hard time understanding and accepting in a lot of ways.